Hey everyone, I'm Ian Somerhalder, reminding you that there's still time to enter to win a trip to Mystic Falls to film a bonus scene with me on the set of The Vampire Diaries. To prepare you for that moment when I pull you in close and suck your blood, I thought I'd take a little trip down memory lane and share some of my most memorable bites. We'll start way, way, way back, almost to where it all began, with Caroline. And who could forget Bonnie and the sweet, sweet taste of revenge? Big mistake, but a lesson learned. And who will be my next most memorable victim? Well, you. Because you'll not only be flying out to Mystic Falls to have dinner with me and shoot the scene especially designed for you, but you'll also be supporting the Ian Somerhalder Foundation's work to positively impact the planet and all of its creatures. So please go to omaze.com/Ian. That's OMAZE/IAN and enter now. I look forward to making you my next victim.